A crypto faucet is an app or a website that distributes small amounts of cryptocurrencies as a reward for completing easy tasks. They are given the name faucets because the rewards are small, just like small drops of water dripping from a leaky faucet. Welcome to our channel, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for instant notification. However, in the case of crypto faucets, tiny amounts of free or earned cryptocurrency are sent to a user's wallet. In order to get free crypto, users need to complete tasks as simple as viewing ads, watching product videos, completing quizzes, clicking links, be careful, or completing a CAPTCHA. Crypto faucets are certainly not a get-rich-quick scheme. The simpler the task, the lesser the reward. Most websites offer a minimum payout threshold, so the rewards earned by completing tasks are deposited into an online wallet of the site. A user can withdraw this reward only after reaching the minimum set threshold. With the best crypto faucets, this might take just a day, but often, it can take longer than a week. But what is the purpose of a crypto faucet? Though cryptocurrencies have had a great last year, they are yet not completely mainstream and are still new to many people around the world. The idea behind crypto faucets is to give free cryptocurrencies to people so they would take the time to learn about digital assets and hopefully invest in them. How does a cryptocurrency faucet work? The operation of a crypto faucet is mainly based on finishing simple tasks as well as participating in established activities. The faucet website can fix the rewards and can set a time lock for users to claim the rewards. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon for instant notification. See you soon.